Wow, we just received an amazing 5-star review from one of our new happy customers. They were so excited about our great customer service, they went online and left this fantastic review. Here's what they had to say. Reviews like this are important to us because they tell us we're doing a great job for these satisfied customers now and will continue to do so in the future. We value our customers, new and old. Whether you're brand new or been through our doors before, we would like the chance to earn your business all over again. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.